Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a one-legged seated forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your right leg active by flexing through your right heel. Slowly lift your torso to upright. Maintain the energy and alignment of your right leg as you draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding a twist. With your right hand to your left leg, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, reaching your left arm back and open to the left. Slowly unwind and return to center, repeating this sequence on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your core engaged, with your navel back towards your spine. Continue breathing deeply, keeping your left leg active, flexing through your left heel, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Slowly lift your torso to upright. Maintain the energy and alignment of your left leg, and draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding a twist. With your left hand to your right leg, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, lengthening from the base of your spine upward, reaching your right arm back and open to the right. Slowly unwind and return to center, moving into a seated cat-cow stretch variation. Interlace your fingers and press your palms away. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.